Hi guys, today we're going to be doing DNA transformation. So here on ice I have our competent cell. We're using DH5 alpha, and then I also have our DNA. Here is the petri dish that we're going to be using with LB and kanamycin. So right now we're going to get 10 microliters of our DNA, and then we're going to add it to our competent cells, all very close to the fire. And we have to flick them. Okay, and put it back in the ice. So after flicking them, we have to put it back in the ice and wait for about 30 minutes. So while we wait for the 30 minutes, I'm gonna preheat our mini shaker for 37 degrees Celsius, and then I'm also gonna preheat our 2 hot plates, one for 37 degrees Celsius and the other one for 42 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, so after the 30 minutes, we're gonna have to heat shock our competent cells with the DNA. So we're gonna put on the hot plate for 45 seconds on the 42 degrees Celsius, and then put it on ice for another 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, we're gonna add warm LB up to the one over here.
Every time it closes, it logs out. Well, no, it was open every single time.
So after adding the warm LB in here, we're gonna put it in the mini shaker for 37 degrees Celsius, and then our RPMs will be 1400.
They didn't have that.
It was because when I started, they had the I don't know what I think it was literally walk in the building, like everybody was.
I like it.
And my classes are really small, like largest is really 40 people box. That's a lot. It will help you like directly go in between the wells, not splash in between.
I need the operable plates. Huh? It was right where you are.
Right where I am?
Too.
Yeah.
Huh?
So cute.
No, one more.